All right, this is the ultimate little portable vacuum from SVHT. It's cordless battery-powered vacuum cleaner. It makes ease of vacuuming around the house. And you get a lot of accessories making this very useful. This is the vacuum right here and the basket and filter for all of the stuff that you suck up. They also do include an extra filter. So if your filter gets too dirty and you've cleaned it too many times, you can just throw on another filter. And the battery is back here, which is rechargeable, and it comes with the cable to charge it up. There's no trigger on this thing. There's just a button in the back. So you turn it on and you have two different power levels, and then you have off. So you have the extension pole that goes in, making it a lot easier to get to different spots. And that extension pole extends, hard to believe, and you can get down to the floor easily. Now for floor vacuuming, you can add the floor attachment here, push this down, get the angle that you want, and it's very powerful. Plus they give you this untangle tool, so if you have any kind of hair or things that get tangled in there, you can easily pull them out with this. If you're cleaning like certain spots that are smaller, you can use this attachment right here. This is like a little brush attachment. You can suck things up and also kind of like brush it off as well. So that is very useful there. And for even more hard to reach spots, you have this one right here that can like get in between the refrigerator, just those really awkward spots that you can't fit any of the other ones in. But I love that they give you this wall mount and all the screws and everything to put this up on the wall. And what this is gonna do is make it very tidy for you. Like in your cupboard or your pantry or something, you can easily have that plug ready to go, so it keeps it charged up, it keeps it out of the way, keeps it off the ground. And yeah, I love that. So here we have it on hard surfaces. You can see it just sucking up all that dirt, all of the little loose end things that just kind of fall to the ground. Put this on other carpet, and it's really just getting all of the dirt out, all of the things that just get left behind from the shoes and from just dust. It does have a green LED dust detection feature, making it 2 times brighter for hidden dust. It's also not super loud, so if you don't like vacuuming and if someone's taking a nap, you're waking them up, this won't do that. Easy to use, very simple, one button, charge it up, hang it up on the wall. What more can you say about a product like this where it just works and works well? So if you're looking for that portable vacuum cleaner in your house, office, or wherever you need one, this is a great one. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.